And already guys, in today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing video. We're going to be unboxing the new iPhone 15 Pro Max. This will be the first tech video on the channel. So if you guys go on to enjoy today's video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, you smash that like button, don't forget to turn on post notifications so you guys stay updated with all my latest videos coming to the channel. Let's get right in the video, let's get it. Alright, so guys, we have the iPhone 15 Pro Max right in front of us, and then we also have the phone case as well, which we are also going to unbox, but first we're going to do the phone. So, the Apple experience, guys. Okay. It's always so satisfying. Oh, that's cool. They put a cutout for the camera, probably because it's so huge. Alright, so we're just going to put that, like, right over there. Oh, man, dude. Look at that. Look at that. Alright, but let's take the phone out. So the new phone is made of an aerospace grade titanium. So supposedly, according to Apple, they said we could take our phones up to space and we could bring it back down to Earth and the phone would survive, supposedly. Alright, but now it is time for the famous peel. Okay. Oh yeah. Here we go. Peel has been removed. So for anyone wondering, I had an iPhone 13 originally, which is right here. So this is a size comparison between the two phones. The display is going to be the part that's like, you know, noticeably different. So let's power the phone on. All right, the phone is on and it's greeting me with hello. All right, let's see this. Oh yeah. Alright, so I'm going to set up the phone in a second, but first, let's take a look at our accessories in the box. Ooh. So as we all know, you know, USB-C has now been officially added to the iPhones. They were on the iPad Pros, I believe, originally. I don't know about the iPad Air, but I know for the Pros they had USB-C ports. But now we have the official USB-C on the iPhone 15 series. Alright, and then we already know what's in here, Apple stickers. So we're not going to go through those. Alright, but now the next part, let's just put this away. The case. So I got an OtterBox Lumen case. The reason I picked this case specifically was because when I was actually at the Apple store, I saw the models that they were using for the 14 series. And it had like this unique gradient, like it went from clear all the way down to like whatever color the case came in. But they didn't make that for the 15, at least not currently. So I found the regular one, that's what I went with. Let's just put this right over there. Alright. Let's get this in the actual case. Alrighty. Phone is in the case, perfectly installed. All right, now I'm gonna set the phone up and then I will see you guys in a second. All right, so guys, a little bit of time has gone by, as you can clearly see, because I am wearing a different shirt now. It's about only been a day or so. So we're gonna go through the phone. We're gonna test out some of the new iOS features and some of the new phone features. So let's get into it. All right, so the first iOS feature that we're gonna go over is the action button, which is the replacement for the mute button. So to access that button, we're going to go into settings, we're going to click action button up here, and as you can clearly see, we have a bunch of different features that we can choose from. We can go from camera, flashlight, silencing, magnifier, and a whole bunch of others. So for the sake of this, we're going to test out a few of them and we're going to see how well it works. So the first one is going to be the silencing button. So it unmutes and then mutes. So let's see how well that works. Unmute, mute, cool. Let's test out do not disturb. And if you click these little arrows down here, you can actually set which one you want it to be at. So if you want it to be driving specifically, work specifically, personal, gaming, sleep, you can choose from any of those or just the regular do not disturb. So let's test that out. So we're just gonna do normal do not disturb just for the sake of things. All right, so we're gonna set it up. On, as you see at the top. And then off. Alright, so let's see how that works now. On. Off. Awesome. Alright, we're not gonna do camera, but let's see if we do flashlight. Let's do flashlight. Oh, it turns on. And then off. Alright, so now to test that regularly. Huh. Nifty. And then we can just... And with that being said, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this unboxing video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. You smash that like button. Don't forget to turn on post notifications so you guys stay updated with all my latest videos coming to the channel. And if you guys have any other ideas of things you want me to unbox, let me know in the comments down below. And I'll see you guys all in the next one. Peace.